Over the hills and far away, Teletubbies come to play.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! Teletubbies!
Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies.
Tinky Winky,
Tinky Winky,
Dipsy, La La,
La la.
Ho,
Ah.
Teletubbies,
Teletubbies.
say hello. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, La La, Ho, Teletubbies,
Teletubbies.
big hug.
Where have the Teletubbies gone?
One day in Teletubbyland, it was time for the Teletubbies to do their exercises.
Reach up high and bend down low. Stretch up very, very tall. Bend down low and reach up high. And bend down very, very small. Up, up, up and down, down, down. Up, up, up and down. And up, up and down, down. Jump, jump, jump.
Oh, again.
Reach up high and bend down low. Stretch up very, very tall. and bend down very, very small. Up, up, up and down, down, down. Up, up, up and down, and up, up and down, down. Jump, jump, jump. Reach up high and bend down low. Stretch up very, very tall. And bend down very, very small. Up, up, up and down, down, down. Up, up, up and down. And up, up and down, down. Jump, jump, jump. Reach up high and bend down low.
Run away!
Stretch up very, very tall. Bend down low and reach up high. And bend down very, very small. Reach up high and bend down low. Up, up, up and down, down, down. Up, up, up and down, down, down. And up, up and 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 down, down. Jump, jump, jump.
Tubbies love to do their exercises. And Tubbies love to run.
Tinky Winky!
Dipsy! La la! Yeah, Tinky Winky!
This is my cat Question. She's 4 years old. She's got long ginger hair and a little bit of white on her nose. She's always asleep during the day. She never moves. She's very good and she loves living with me. But she loves exploring in the night. Every evening she goes outside, first through one cat flap, and then through another. I watch her from the window and see what she does and where she goes. She sits there silently by the fountain. I don't know what she's doing. Maybe she's watching the water sparkling. Maybe she's counting the drops on the stones. She waits there for a while. And then she's off. Sneaking through the bushes. Hiding amongst the flowers. I know she's out there somewhere. having a lovely time. Maybe she's climbed the tree. She likes doing that. I can't see where she's gone. Grace loves the dark. Sometimes she sneaks to the front garden. Her favourite place is sitting on the wall by the front door, watching the cars go by. People taking their dog for a walk or going out. Or coming home. And when she's not sure what to do, she counts the stars and looks at the moon until she feels tired and comes into sleep. Grace is the best cat in the world. She's very special to me. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
One day, in Teletubby Land, Po went to sleep in Tinky Winky's bed.
Po sleep Tinky Winky bed. Uh-oh.
Tinky Winky, Dipsy and Lala wanted to go to sleep.
Sleep. Go sleep. Go to sleep. Sleep. Sleep.
Lala went to sleep.
Sleep. Sleep. Sleep.
Dipsy went to sleep.
Dipsy sleep.
And Tinky Winky went to sleep.
Tinky Winky sleep. Uh-oh.
But Po was already asleep in Tinky Winky's bed.
Po asleep in Tinky Winky bed.
So Tinky Winky went to sleep in Po's bed.
Tinky Winky sleep in Po bed. Yay! Tinky Winky sleep in Po bed. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Tinky Winky couldn't get comfortable.
Tinky Winky no comfortable. Uh-oh.
Po's bed was too small.
Po bed too small.
So Tinky Winky went to look for somewhere else to sleep.
Somewhere else to sleep. Uh-oh.
Tinky Winky tried to go to sleep at the table.
Oh, Tinky Winky sleep at table. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh,
Tinky Winky couldn't get comfortable.
Tinky Winky no comfortable.
The table was too hard.
Too hard.
So Tinky Winky went to look for somewhere else to sleep.
Somewhere else to sleep. Uh-oh.
Tinky Winky tried to go to sleep on the slide.
Oh, Tinky Winky sleep on side. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
Tinky Winky couldn't get comfortable.
Tinky Winky no comfortable.
The slide was too slippery.
Too slippery.
So Tinky Winky went to look for somewhere else to sleep.
Uh-oh.
But there was nowhere for Tinky Winky to sleep.
Nowhere to sleep. Uh-oh.
Po woke up.
Oh, Po.
Oh, Tinky Winky. Big hug.
Big
Bye-bye, Tinky Winky.
Bye-bye, Po.
Paddy, Paddy.
So Tinky Winky went to sleep in Tinky Winky's own bed.
Tinky Winky own bed. Tinky Tinky Winky bed.
Very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Time for Tubby Bye-Bye. Time for Tubby Bye-Bye. Time for Tubby Bye-Bye.
Bye-bye, Tinky Winky.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dipsy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Lala.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Po.
Bye-bye. Boo.
Boo.
Boo. Boo.
No.
No.
Bye-bye, Tinky Winky.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dipsy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Lala.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Po.
Bye-bye.
The sun is setting in the sky. Teletubbies, say goodbye.